This is a 30-piece tire repair kit that was sent over to me to showcase in this video. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at this kit so that you can determine if it's right for you or not. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so this kit's going to come in this nice plastic box here for transport and storage. When you open it up, you're going to have your label. On the back of the label, they actually have instructions in case you need these here. Pretty easy to use though. So you got these side cutters here. These here are angled. So basically this is going to allow you to get leverage on the screw so you can pry it out without having to, jog it back and forth. This was straight. The handles do have this rubber texture on there so you can hold on to it, especially if it's wet. Then you're going to have these screws. You get 30 of these screws, and they're all individually packaged in these little plastic cups here. So basically, assuming that these here are wider than the screw that you're taking out, you're going to pry the screw out, open up one of these screws here, and use the Phillips screwdriver that they give you. It does have ergonomic rubberized grip on here to screw this into the screw hole that you took out. This coating that's on these screws here are basically going to seal the rubber hole that's left from the screw that you took out, seal it up so that you don't have any more leaks. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a tire repair kit to throw in the truck to keep just in case of an emergency, you may want to check this out. I hope this helps.